Hey folks, welcome to this episode of the Elmore Show. Yay! Okay, so today we're going to talk about how to replace, you know what these are? You know what these are? You guessed it, seals. These are seals for the Instant Pot. We got the Luxe and the Duo tops. Real simple. Take the old seal out, and you're going to put the new seal in. So if you see right here, it's that silver piece. Just want to make sure you get it up under that and around it. Just walk it around till it lays in there perfectly. We're going to put it on our other one. Take this one out. And you'll know if the seal is bad because it will take forever to come to pressure, or it won't come to pressure at all. So, yeah. Once again, just put it up onto that silver piece. And just stick it in there like so. And you walk it all the way around. Boom. Till it sits in there nice and snug, like so. I also have, dun dun dun. Can anybody tell me what these are? You guessed it. These are steam diverters. So let's see if we can figure this one out here. Looks like that's the way that one goes on, like that. Whew, look at that. Isn't that neat? Yeah, that is neat. Same thing with this one here. Just gonna put it on, slip it over it. This one you gotta like handle a little bit more sternly because it's a little more snug fit. Like a little submarine periscope depth thingy, right? Remember to subscribe to my channel. You never know what you're going to find, but most of the time it is something related to cooking. So hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you're notified every time I release a new video. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I prefer you not give me a thumbs down, but if you have to, can you at least say why you give a thumbs down? All right, till next time.